Hi, I'm Gary, KB9AIT, and with my partner Terry, N9AOT, we are Wolf River Coils. Today I'd like to talk about care and maintenance of our tripods. Tripods are really simple. This is a 3/8 24 thread and a 3/8 24 thread on the hub. It's the same thread that we use throughout all our equipment, including center loaded and the whips that we use. So the easiest thing to do is, when I insert this, is I always go counterclockwise, and you can actually feel it go into place, and then you just turn it on. It goes on really easy. Should take very little energy of your fingers to put that on there. I go backwards and then forwards. It just fits right in. And again, I go counterclockwise and clockwise. And there, there was some resistance there, so I stopped. Now it went in really easy. Once you've put this in there one time, nothing changes. There's not a mechanical piece here. It's just thread to thread. So if you've used this for 4 or 5 times or 6 times, and it ends up where there's an issue with it, is because you cross-threaded it. And the best way not to cross-thread it is never, ever use a tool. Just use your fingers. If you have to use a tool to put this in, you've cross-threaded it. The other thing that can keep it from going in there is if you get dirt in there. If you had this out in, say, the field somewhere, you took the leg off, you set this on the ground or dropped it, and you got mud in there, that certainly would affect you being able to put this in there. I would just double check that, make sure there's nothing in there. Let me take this apart a second. The other thing you can do to help a little bit, just get a little oil, pull a little oil on there. And what I mean by a little oil is I put a little oil on there, get it on my fingers, and then just put it on all 3 of them. You don't need a lot of oil. I'm not a WT-40 fan because that seems to get kind of sticky after a while. It's the same thing when you use the long one. Don't try to put it in from back here. With the long one, again up here, just go counterclockwise, and again, it should just go in very, very, very easy. So with that, if you do that all the time, I think it'll work fine for you. And that's kind of care and maintenance of our tripod system. One last thing, I think you can see that every once in a while you might have a problem getting your PL259 in there. There's a little split ring in there. You can just stick a little needle nose pliers in there and just bend that back a little bit, loosen it up a little, then your PL259 will go in there. So with that, thanks for watching this video. I'm Gary, KB9AIT, with my partner Terry, N9AOT, Wolf River Coils. Thank you.